Hello students, in this video we are going to look at this pattern, okay, this shape. So we have a star here, a star here, a star here, okay, at location 1, 2, 3, okay, that is J. We are talking about J. J is 1, J is 2, J is 3. Then in the second line, when I is 2, we want to print star when J is 2 and when J is 3. Here in the third line, we want to print a star only when J is equal to 3, okay. And the remaining places we have to print a space. In the previous pattern we had this kind of shape. So when the space is after the star, we don't need to worry about this, okay. But when the space is before the stars, that means we have to take care of that, and we have to print the space separately, okay. So we have to figure out when we have to print a space and when we have to print a star, okay. So let's see, here we have to print star from location 1 till location 3 when J is 1, from J is 1 till J is 3. Here we have to print star from J equals to 2 till J is equal to 3, and here we have to print from J3 to J3, that is only one time, and the remaining time we have to print a space, okay. So here we need to start from 1 and go till 3. Here we need to start from 2 and go till 3. So can we make use of this I here? Yes, we can, okay. When the value of I is 1, that means we start from 1. Here when the value of I is 2, we start from 2, and when here the value of I is 3, we start from 3. So isn't the condition J is greater or equal to 3, okay, at 3, so we need equal to, and after here in the first line the value of I is 1, so the condition will be J is greater or equal to 1, okay. So when J is 1 greater than 1, it will print a star. When J is 2, condition will be 2 greater or equal to 2. When J is 1, it will be 1 here. When J is 3, the condition will be 3 is greater or equal to 1, okay. So 3 times the condition will be true, so 3 stars will get printed. Next, when I is 2, the condition will be 1 greater or equal to 2, because the value of I is 2, okay. And then so this condition here is false, a star will not get printed, and else part will execute, a space gets printed, so a space is printed. Now the condition becomes 2 is greater or equal to 2, okay, so a star will get printed. Next, when the control comes here, the condition will be 3 is greater or equal to 2, condition is true, okay, so again a star gets printed, okay. Now let's come to the third line, I is equal to 3 here, okay, so the condition is J greater or equal to I, okay. What is the value of J here? The value of J here will be 1, so 1 greater or equal to I value is 3, it is false, so star will not get printed because this condition is false, else part will execute and the space will get printed, so the space gets printed. Now next time J will be 2, condition is 2 greater or equal to 3, condition is false, that means this will not get executed, else part will get executed and the space is printed, okay. And then J will become 3, condition becomes 3 greater or equal to 3, condition is true. So since the condition is true, this time the star will get printed, so a star gets printed here. So I hope you have understood this, how to print this pattern, and all the derived patterns from this pattern, the condition and the structure of the loop everything will remain same. but here when you want to print 1 2 3, you'll print j. I've already explained in the previous videos. If you haven't seen, watch those. Okay, so you'll be able to understand this. Similarly, here we want to print 1 1 1. That means the value is not changing column wise, it is changing row wise. So we will print the value of I here, because I represents column, I represents row, so we will print I. Next, so this pattern also, for this pattern also everything is same. Okay, see the basic structure, we were starting from 1 till 3. The outer loop was going from 1 till 3, inner loop was going from 1 till 3. Condition was j is less than equal to I, j is greater or equal to I. In this loop also, the outer loop is going from A till C and A till C, that means 3 times, and the condition is same only, j is greater or equal to I. And since the value is not changing column wise, okay, if you see in this row the value is same, that means we want to print the value of I, the outer loop. Okay, so we are printing the value of I here, and here the value is changing column wise, so we want to print the value of j. We print the value of j. Again, if this is not clear, you need to watch the first 2 videos in this pattern series. And in this one also, in this pattern also, the loop goes from 1 till 3 and 1 till 3, and the condition is j is greater or equal to I. So everything is same. The only thing is we want to print here, we want to print 4 minus j here. Okay, why 4 minus j? Because first time 4 minus 1 will be 3, second time 4 minus 2 will be 2, third time 4 minus 3 will be 1. Okay, so, and this is the last one, 3 3 3. So again the value is changing row wise, so I've written 4 minus I. So that's it for this video. Thank you.